Okay guys, today this video is about a repair I had to do on my wife's 2009 Kia Spectra. And this will work on Kia Spectra 2004 through 2009 model years. They'll also work on some Hyundai Elantras, I do believe, in like the 2005 through 2008 era. The part number is the same, I do believe, on the Elantra, except there's like an E or something that's added to it. The reason for this repair was my wife was complaining when she would drive the car that she would smell fuel when it was really, really cold outside. And so I looked up underneath the hood and found that the connector that goes onto the fuel rail and onto the fuel line was leaking fuel from like the plastic area of the connector. I called Kia originally to try to get a part number for this. Kia tried to tell me that the part doesn't even exist anymore, which isn't true. After a long internet search and different things, I found that the part is listed under the Kia parts under the brake lines in their parts catalog, which is kind of weird since it's not a brake line, it's a high pressure fuel line. Anyway, I would recommend replacing it. I mean, it is an expensive part. If you have to order it from the dealer, it's like $70 something, but it's worth it since it's a fuel line. I did try a junkyard line first and didn't have the same luck. It just started leaking again, so I decided to get a new fuel line. But here is a video that shows the fuel line replacement. Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be working on a 2009 Kia Spectra with a fuel line leak. Going to be replacing the fuel line. I'm going to show you how to get to it. So what we got to do first, we got to go ahead and loosen all this up here, which I've already done. Pull this off. Undo the filter box here. Pull that up. And then if you pull the rear of this, it should just come out of the way. So if you remove this here, it should just come out of the way. So just get it out of the way like that. Now we have pretty good access to it. This is going to be under some pressure, so you're going to want to get some paper towels, put under fuel line, and want to make sure to do it when the engine's cold. This engine's still a little warm, so we're going to let it cool down for a little bit. Now if you look, it's going to be a 10mm socket. You just kind of should go under here. There's 2 bolts. So I did a little bit of looking around, and the connection on the top hose is leaking, but it comes out, it's a quick connect. I got one from a junkyard. The quick connect looks like this. So if you push these 2 things in and push and pull back, it comes out. But here's the number on it, because everybody else that I saw didn't have a number for this. At this one, I'm leaking at the clamp, but I'm just going to replace the whole entire line. We'll go through it. I've already pulled the 2 bolts that are out back here. Ran down the line, put a paper towel down there, and we're just going to pull it out. So we got it on there. That towel out of there. bottom. Just kind of feeling around here. Get that snug. Looks like we got locked in. On there, push that in there, put this on here, tighten that up, right there, maybe a little farther right there. And that fixes it, and you start it up and look for leaks. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this video helps somebody that has a Kia Spectra that has a fuel leak or issue like it. A lot of the message forums, people were having this issue and it didn't look like there was a resolution out there, so I figured I would make this video. We're going to get back into doing scam baiting videos again. The scammers have been picking up, calling me. I get like several phone calls a day with scams and stuff, so we're going to start getting back into that. But we're also going to do some DIY videos as well, and repairs, and hopefully you guys will like that too, just to kind of change it up a little bit. But we're going to really get back into doing scam videos again. Hopefully we're going to try to get out several videos a month is my goal. So yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching. And please subscribe.